Welcome everyone to HueFin, also known as HueFin News. Today is January the 6th, 2021, and considering that all of these altcoins so far in the market are seeing massive movement to the upside, we thought that we'll go ahead and do a new cryptocurrency today called Loopring. You guys can see already that this particular market has seen a substantial movement higher in price. So now all we need to do is come in and show you whether or not the trap will continue to increase the price of this currency. Now, before I do, if this is your first time watching our video, make sure hit the like button, share the video, and also subscribe to the channel. If you would like to get a little bit more personal with us and engagement on our content, we are now offering some membership perks. You guys can see right here that we have two membership perks. One is the apprentice and the next one is the artisan. Now the apprentice is for $1.99. It gives you loyalty badges, let everyone know that you are a proud supporter of HueFin News HFN. And not only that, we have also created some custom emojis that you can utilize to call the markets. We want you all to have the ability to call the markets right alongside with us to see whether or not you can also follow the trap. We need to predict the market and get a grasp as to where the market is headed. So we created these emojis so that you can predict the market right alongside with us, and these custom emojis will be listed next to your name in the comments as well as during our live chat. So make sure you all participate with these custom emojis. Now the artisan is the next perk. Okay, we're going to have some live streams going on for the year 2021 beyond, and for those who are interested in asking us questions, who are interested in looking at multiple cryptocurrencies, stocks, whatever the case may be, if it's listed on TradingView, we'll be able to cover it. This is your opportunity to where we can converse and both together try to price the market and get expectation as to where the market is headed. So you'll definitely need to pick that particular perk if that is interesting to you. All right. Now, I also want to make mention of a couple of new members that have joined our perks. The first one is Nick Cook. The second one is Francisco Mireles. The next one is Daniel Velez. And the last one is Shentnu002. Thank each and every one of you for your support. We definitely want to appreciate your belief in our content. And hopefully you have also been growing from the information that we have been posting here on this particular platform. So now, here we are, Loopring. Look at how massive the market in Loopring looks. Very substantive. In 3 days, the market, let's see how far the market in Loopring has been. So if we take it from the open of January the 3rd, 3 days, this market in Loopring has increased 256%. Massive. Now, that's from low to high. The market closed in Loopring right there on the 5th of January at 181%. And now you guys can see that people are selling the market. So what would be your expectation? Okay. Now we have to break this down into a smaller time frame just to see how active this particular trap is in Loopring. So as always, the first thing we need to see is the trend. So visually, you can already tell on the 3-hour time frame that the market in Loopring is in an uptrend, right? So what process are we going through right now in Loopring? That's the question we need to answer, because we need to see, can this movement higher be sustained? So what is going on in the market right now at this location? Okay, because the market in Loopring was trending strong. We came right back down and we broke that trend. So if we broke a trend, that trend is no longer reliable. We cannot be dependent on that trend once it breaks. So since that upward momentum in Loopring has been broken, that leaves us with two other options. This market will start a consolidational trading range. Okay, maybe around 50 cents to 40 cents. That could be the consolidational range, or we're going to continue to see this price in Loopring go a lot lower. That's the process that we're seeing the trap transition over to right now. So let's go ahead and get rid of this real quick. So now we're seeing the market in Loopring go through some weakness. The trend is now being broken. So let's see if it's going to continue to drop in price. Okay, we need to see whether or not the market in Loopring is going to continue to go lower in price, and if so, where will we be expecting the market to find some support? Okay, now looking at this on a 1 hour chart, I'm seeing Loopring hitting some restriction. I would say around 47 cents is the next area of restriction into the market in Loopring. 40 cents as well as being a support area, at least in the immediate term. Okay, so now, are we seeing strength into the market right now? Loopring is the question. Right now, we're not. So is this the opportunity to come into the market to purchase Loopring? Because right now, we're definitely seeing a lot of profit taking going on in this currency. On all of these hourly time frames, specifically on this 11-hour time frame, this market and Loopring still have some weakness to go through. Okay. So this particular forecast prediction that we're going to create in Loopring is going to be on an hourly time frame, considering that recently we've seen this massive increase in volatility and movement higher. Okay, we cannot price this on a daily time frame just yet due to the increased volatility that has came or entered the market. Okay, so the 11-hour time frame looks weak, also on the 13-hour time frame. So the only thing we need to really focus in on this particular video is where will the trap hold support. That's it. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and place some weakness into the market in Loopring, and we're going to hold that restriction around 48 cents, and we're going to play this on the 11-hour time frame. And so let's take a look at where support can be at in Loopring. Okay, I'm going to look at this on a 45-minute chart real quick. So I'm really seeing a pretty good area around 40 cents to 38 cents initially into the market in Loopring. Okay, the trap is already showing us that he wants to hold support right now as I'm recording this video around 42, but that 11-hour time frame and longer is definitely emphasizing that we have some more weakness to go through. Okay, so yeah, we'll definitely TP the market in Loopring right there around 40 cents. This is around 5.6% in that particular movement to the downside, 5.6, but 38 cents as well could be support into the market in Loopring. Okay, so we're going to TP the market right there around 40 cents initially, just shave off just a little bit there, and then around 38 cents. But I won't be surprised to see this market come all the way back down to 35 in the long term. Okay, so we're going to hold that there. This is our forecast into the market in Loopring. We are looking for the trap to continue to lower the price in Loopring. Initially, we can see the market come in and try to hold support right there around 40 cents. So we'll definitely need to be on guard in that to see the trap hold support right there around 40 cents. If so, then literally this forecast that we are creating will be invalidated and voided. So we'll be on the lookout for that. But generally, we're going to continue to play the weakness in the market in Loopring and TP the market around 39 cents. Ultimately, back around 35. Okay, so that's it. Now it's your turn to call the market. What do you all see in this particular cryptocurrency? For our members, use those emojis. Let us know you see the market as strong, weak, and what direction you think we're headed. And then tell everyone your TP price as to where would you take the profit. And that's it. Make sure you maintain a profitability. We look forward to each and every one of you joining our community. Go and trade different.